What's going on, boys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first in-person longer form video, but today we are going to be straight piping the 6.2 liter Raptor. We're going to be just, cutting everything off. We're going to dump it before the rear axle. It's going to be super nice because, that stock exhaust leaves a little bit to be desired. So today I'll do a quick cold start. We'll do a couple revs with the stock exhaust. We'll head to the shop. I'll show you as much as I possibly can there. I'm not really sure what I can show you. And then we'll do some after clips, but I'm ready to let this 6.2 liter sing. Stay tuned. What's going on, boys? We are at the shop. They have the truck right over there. They just pulled it in, so I'll give you guys some shots of them working inside the shop, and then we'll give you some clips once it's done. I'm so stoked. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we just got her home. Oh my God, it is a brand new truck. Obviously incredibly loud, little annoying if you're daily driving it. Decent drone on the freeway, but since it's not my daily, I don't really care too much. But honestly, incredible, completely changed the truck. I will give you guys a cold start in the morning with some revs, and that's how we'll finish this baby off. So we'll see you then. All right, y'all, I figured we'd get some driving clips, so here we go. Let's let them all down, huh? It's insane. Hope you enjoyed. All right, fellas, well, there you have it, the end of the video. The Raptor's been straight piped. It sounds absolutely incredible. Make sure to let me know what you guys think. I think the Gen 1 is by far the best Raptor because of that 6.2 liter V8. But do all the things, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.